So, good morning, folks. James with Triple J's Travels, and this morning we're coming to you from a little campground, kind of a hidden little gym outside of San Antonio, New Mexico. It's off of Highway 380, just, will this be east of San Antonio? And San Antonio is on I-25, just south of Socorro. So we kind of stumbled across this little place off of a Campendium app, and thought we'd come down and check it out. It's down in the Bosque by the Rio Grande River, and you know, it's nothing spectacular. All they basically have here is, as you can see right there, you got little camp tables and fire pits and stuff like that. And there's our rig right there. We're all set up over here. But that's about it. Doesn't have much more. There's no bathrooms, no water. But it's not too far outside of San Antonio. So there, I think you've got a gas station. You've got this neat little restaurant there. It's called the Owl Bar and Cafe. Owl as in like the bird. We ate there last night. Had some good food. I guess they're kind of known for their burgers in this area. So, and you can hear a Truman's walking beside me, so you can hear the panting. Say hi, Truman. Truman, say hi. Say hi to everybody. So, excuse his panting. But no, they get some services there. We ate dinner there last night. It was good. It was very good. But back to the park here. I want to say this park has about what, 6 sites. There's another one, and there's the entrance. So you just come off of a ditch bank road and it comes down into here. And there's a little area over there that has, I think, 2 picnic tables. One up over there, one up over there. There's one. And like I said, there's where we decided to park. And as you can see, it's really shaded. It's really pretty. And the only drawbacks that I can really say to the park is that you know, there's no vault toilets, there's no water, but it's free. That's the big thing. No charge whatsoever. Free is always good. You can run into town, I'm sure, and get some water somewhere. There's the sign. So, and I'm guessing the place has been here for quite some time. Some of the other drawbacks is a lot of mosquitoes. You know, being that we're sitting in the bosque and around a lot of water, there are a lot of mosquitoes, especially at night. And there's some of the ants, red ants, so you got to be careful for them, because they will sting you. But it's not that big of a deal. When you come out camping, you got to expect a critter or 2. So, you know, if you all are in the area, want a nice place to just unwind for the night, or maybe a day or 2, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, like as in 0, this may be a place to check out. So, anyway, I guess I will sign off for now. So, again, as always, if you like what you see, please give us a thumbs up. Also, invite you to subscribe to our channel. I'm sorry. We only have one. We'd like to share our experiences with you folks. So, subscribe to the channel, and I'm sure we'll see you guys down the road. Till then, God bless and safe travels.